Hi y'all, this is B. Shirley with the Crafty Bee. Just coming to say hello and see how y'all all are doing today, and to share a little small Dollar Tree haul. I just left the Dollar Tree and there was a couple new items they had. I was very excited. So this is going to be a real short video. This is so neat. This is the Peel and Stick Dry Erase Decals, and it comes 4 in a pack. It was in the $3 aisle, but I can't tell you if it was $1.25 or if it was $3. I have to go back and look at my receipt. But anyway, I have some that's on my Craftroom wall that I just gave up to my our youngest daughter and granddaughter. And so since she has some on her walls, my grandson that's staying with us, he wanted some for his wall. So this was perfect. So now I can put a few on his wall for him. So I thought that was really neat. Peel and Stick Dry Erase decals. That was cool. So I got 2 packs, then one to put up for a future. All right, and for my Crafty Bee, I could not resist this. It's one of those little boards that hang up, but it says be kind, be happy, and be you. I said I've got to hang this up in my craft room. I just thought that was so cute. I couldn't resist it. And this is the first time I have seen Dollar Tree having any it's in the $5, the Dollar Tree Plus, the 6-foot long charger cords. They usually have the little small ones, but they don't last long. But these, I said I want to try this. Our grandkids their phones are running down all the time, so that way they can lay on their bed and still have a longer cord to charge it, and it don't cost as much. It's only $5, so I thought that was really something new and that they have. So we got that. And my grandkids have been pitching a fit about fidget, so they love it. Dakota especially, he's autistic and he loves fidget things. So this is a little fidget rotate ballpoint pen. So he's got him a little pen. It's a little fidget. I couldn't resist it. They had them in different colors. They had the blues, and then they had the purples, pink and orange, and the blue, green, and white. I couldn't resist that. And of course, I'm needing to get some more socks to keep my feet warm. They had different colors of these little $5 and the $5 plus, the really thick socks. They had all different colors. And I love the fact they got the little dots on the bottom to keep you from sliding. Thought that was pretty cool too. And I'm putting new curtains up in my craft room. Since you all know now, I'm in the old living room now. But I'm having to change the curtains out. So, and I wanted something to go with my Crafty Bee. And I saw these bee scarves that they have with the bees on them. Let me see, pull it off here so I can show you. The bee scarves. And I said this would make great tie backs. So I got 2 of them. That way if I mess up with one, I got a backup. But anyway, it's real cute. Got the little bees on them. And flowers. I just thought that was really cute. I can use this as, like I said, make tie backs for my curtain. Fold it in half, cut it, and sew it, and there we go. I have my own little tie backs. I couldn't resist that. That was such a neat little craft idea. But anyway, it was a little small with that and a little bit of little food items. That's pretty much all I got today. But let's see, what was it? The little Hot Pockets and the Jimmy Dean breakfast rolls that my husband likes to eat for breakfast, but I got that. But anyway, so I told you it was a little small one, but I just had a fit over the sign. I just thought that was so cute and it'd be perfect. It's got, my grandson said, but Granny, why does it just say kind, happy, you? And I had to explain to him the B stands for the word, be happy, be kind. And he was tickled then, but I just thought that was really cute. But anyway, just wanted to show y'all my new little haul. And I hope y'all are having a great day. This is a Wednesday, the middle of the week. So I want to give you a little encouragement to keep your eyes up towards the Lord. No matter what goes on, the middle of the week always gets tiring. But look to God and He will give you the strength to go through the rest of the week. All right, well, God bless you all and have a spirit-filled day. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and like and share the video if you like it. Okay? And talk to you later. Bye.